Hello and welcome to the Gallus Experience Center here in St. Gallen, Switzerland. My name is Jana Bachstein and I'm the head of marketing at Gallus. And today I'm super excited to introduce one of our latest additions to our solution portfolio to you, the Gallus Five, the new flagship in hybrid production designed for printing the pace. And printing the pace is not just a slogan, it's one of the standout features of the Gallus Five with its printing speed of incredible 100 meters per minute. This shifts the total cost of ownership break-even point close to 10,000 linear meters and makes the Gallus Five the perfect solution for fast, effective, high-volume label production. The high performance of the Gallus Five is driven by the new Heidelberg Saphira UV05 inkset, which was developed in-house by Heidelberg and Gallus. It delivers brilliant colors, high pigmentation, and it meets the latest standards of regulations and compliances. The Gallus Five is available in 6 color configuration with optional white, and it delivers up to 95% Pantone coverage, plus the most frequently used spot colors in packaging. Another benefit of the new inkset is that it's fully LED curable. This drives down operational costs further, and customers benefit from the longevity of the LED technology. But the Gallus Five is not just about its exceptional speed and the vibrant colors, it's also about the high level of flexibility and modularity. As part of the system to compose, customers can build the exact solution that they need today and in the future. Think of it as a smart building block system. They can combine conventional and digital printing units, embellishing such as varnishing, embossing, and codefoil application, as well as die cutting on one single platform, which they then can choose if they would like to have 340 or 430 mm printing width. Additionally, they can then decide from different ink sets, which then define if we talk about a Gallus 1 printing at 17 meters per minute or a Gallus 5 printing at 100 meters per minute, as we already discussed. So let's have a look at the configuration of the Gallus 5 we have here in the Gallus Experience Center. The Gallus 5 installed behind me features a printing width of 430 millimeters. The machine in-feed is equipped with standard modules including an anti-static unit, corona treatment and a register control unit. Upstream of the digital printing unit, 2 integrated flexo stations are available for varnish application or spot colors, complemented by a codefoil application module. At the heart of the press is the digital printing unit, running the new Heidelberg Saphira UV05 inks, and it is equipped with LED curing and thinning. Downstream of the digital engine, 3 additional flexo printing units and another codefoil module are integrated. Finally, the press is equipped with the RDC Quick die cutting module. The result is a fully integrated hybrid press capable of producing finished labels in just one single pass. But the system to compose is not just about configuring your solution once when you invest into it, it's also about the possibility to further extend it or change it if business requirements change. This flexibility is what the system to compose is all about, and which makes this a future-proof investment. With this level of modularity, the Gallus Five is suited for multiple vertical markets. So depending on the configurations, segments from technical and household to pharma and over-the-counter, even to the highly embellished health, beauty, and cosmetics labels are no problem, and all the segments can be targeted with the Gallus Five. Finally, let's look at the smart functions of the Gallus Five, which was designed to help the operator and enable consistent, high-quality output. Automatic splice detection, for example, reduces waste and downtime and protects the print heads during substrate changes. Our integrated vision system, combined with smart functions like missing nozzle and density unevenness detection and compensation, guarantees flawless and reproducible print quality. Automatic and ultrasonic cleaning reduces ink waste, as print heads no longer need to be purged and the risk of damage through manual cleaning is minimized. And all of this is managed through an intuitive HMI, providing full transparency and control for simple, efficient, and reliable operation, even in demanding production environments. But besides our press and ink solutions, we also have our own workflow solution, Heidelberg Connect, and a worldwide sales and service network. So that's it with the overview of our Gallus 5 here in the Experience Center. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to welcoming you soon here in St. Gallen or at any of our other demo halls worldwide.